बुधवारा उपसभापती पदा खातीर भाजपाचे सांगेचे आमदार सुभाष फळदेसाय हांची निवड जाली. सुभाष फळदेसाय हांकां 24 जाल्यार केदार नायक हांकां 15 मतां पडलीं. RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
The following nominations have been received by the Goa Legislative Secretary for the election of the Deputy Speaker. Sri Subhash Faldesai, proposed by Sri Krishna Salkar, seconded by Sri Premanand Shet. Sri Subhash Faldesai, proposed second nomination. Ullas Tuyekar, seconded by Premendra Shet. Third nomination, Kedar Jayaprakash Naik, proposed by Sri Digambar Vasant Kamath, seconded by Michael Lobo. Fourth, Kedar Jayaprakash Naik, proposed by Sankalp Amonkar, seconded by Rajesh Faldesai. Nomination as serial number 1 to 4 are in order. The motion one by one. Those who standing are 24. Now those against the motion, please stand. Larry?
14, 15.
15. Those who against are 15. I hereby declare that Sri Subhash Faldesai elected the post of Deputy Speaker of the House. I offer the heartiest congratulations to Subhash Faldesai.